Friends, today I am going to start a new chapter, factors and multiples. In previous classes we have read about factors, multiples, prime numbers, composite numbers. In this chapter we will discuss some more properties related to them. First of all, I am going to write some important definitions related to this chapter 6. First, multiple. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a number, by a natural number. Second definition, a multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. एक संख्या का गुणज वह संख्या है जो कि उस संख्या को किसी प्राकृतिक संख्या से गुणा करने पर प्राप्त होता है. ए मल्टीपल ऑफ ए नंबर इज ए नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय ए नेचुरल नंबर. एक संख्या का गुणज वह संख्या है जो कि उस संख्या को किसी प्राकृतिक संख्या से गुणा करने पर प्राप्त होता है. मल्टीपल. एंड द सेकेंड डिफिनीशन इज फैक्टर. फैक्टर मीन्स गुणनखंड. फैक्टर when two or more numbers are multiplied, when two or more numbers are multiplied together, the resulting number is called their product, and each of the numbers, when two or more numbers are multiplied together, the resulting number is called their product, and and each of the numbers multiplied, and each of the numbers multiplied is called factor. When two or more numbers are multiplied together, The resulting number is called their product, and each of the number multiplied is called a factor. Is called a factor of this product. As for example, if we multiply 8 and 5, we get 40 as product. Therefore, 8 and 5 are factors of the given number. Is called factor. Each number is the number. Third example is divisible. Divisible when one number is divided by another number. When one number is divided by another number and the remainder is 0, then the first number is divisible by the second number. First number is divisible by the second number. And for example, if we divide 20 by 4, we get remainder is 0. So 20 is divisible by 4. Divisible, भाज्य। जब एक संख्या को दूसरी संख्या से भाग दिया जाता है और यदि शेष फल 0 प्राप्त होता है तो पहली संख्या दूसरी संख्या का भाज्य कहलाती है, डिविजिबल। एंड द फोर्थ definition I am going to write even number. Even number means सम संख्या। even number, a number divisible by 2, a number divisible by 2 is called even number. Is called an even number. Examples of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Because all numbers are divisible by 2. So if a number divisible by 2 is called an even number. And odd number, a number which is not divisible by 2. Odd number, विषम संख्या। In history we call it विषम संख्या, सम संख्या, विषम संख्या, odd number. A number which is not divisible by 2. Which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. विषम संख्या, जब कोई संख्या 2 से विभाज्य न हो, तो उसे हम विषम संख्या कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल्स 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 etc. एग्जाम्पल Examples of odd numbers: 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. are all odd numbers. And after that, perfect number. Perfect number पूर्ण संख्या. Perfect number. A number is said to be a perfect number a number is said to be a perfect number a number is said to be a perfect number if the sum of all its factors if the sum of all its factors is equal to twice this number is equal to twice its number. This number. And for example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12, which is 12 which is multiplied 2 into 6. Here 6 is a perfect number. A number is said to be a perfect number if the sum of all its factors is equal to the twice this number. And the number definition is prime number. In history, we call an abhadya sankhya, a number which has only two factors, one and number itself is called prime number. A natural number which has a natural number which has only two factors is called prime number. Which has only two factors is called prime number. जिस प्राकृतिक संख्या का कम से कम दो गुणनखंड हो तो वह संख्या अभाज्य संख्या कहलाती है. यदि किसी प्राकृतिक संख्या का दो गुणनखंड हो तो उसे हम प्राइम नंबर कहते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जांपल 2 is a prime number because 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 only. So factors of 2 is 1 and 2. And 3 is also a prime number because 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So a natural number which has only two factors is called a prime number. And next is 2, 3, 5. Examples of prime number are 2, 3, 5, dot dot etc. A natural number which has only two factors is called a prime number, and eighth number is a composite number. A natural number which has more than two factors. A natural number composite number means यौगिक संख्या. Composite number, prime number, अभाज्य संख्या in Hindi. A composite number, a natural number which has more than two factors. A natural number which has only two factors. A natural number which has only more than two factors. Two factors is called composite number. Or composite number means यौगिक संख्या. As for example, 9, 4, 4, 9, 6, all such numbers are called composite number because it has more than two factors. So a natural number which has more than two factors is called composite number. Example 4, 6. Example 4, 6, 8, dot 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 dot. So these 8 definitions are very important to you. So you will write in your share notebook and learn this learn this definition, and after that you can solve the examples given in your book. You can try to solve. So I am going to again define these definitions. First of all, multiple. A multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. जब एक संख्या को दूसरी संख्या से गुणा किया जाता है तो हम उस संख्या को का गुणक कहते हैं. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. As for example, if we multiply 5 into 1, we get 5. So 1 and 5 is a multiple of the given number, natural number. A multiple of a number is number obtained by multiplying it by itself. Here 5 into 2 is equal to 10, so 5 is a multiple of 10. 5 is a multiple. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, all are multiple of 5. Because if we multiply 5 by 2 is equal to 10, 5 by 3 is equal to 15, 5 by 4 is equal to 20, so all are multiples of 5. And factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Here 8 is equal to here 40 is equal to 8 and 5. 8 into 5, 40 is equal to 8 into 5. So 5 and 8 are factors of 40. When two or more numbers are multiplied together, the resulting number is called product, and each of the numbers multiplied is called factor. The factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. And the next, divisible. When a number is divided by another number and the remainder is 0, then the first number is called is divisible of the second number. And divisible, after that the next definition is even number. You have learned even number. A number is divisible by 2 is called even number. As for example, 2, 4, 6, 8 all are divisible by 2, so it is called even number. सम संख्या, जो संख्या 2 से विभाज्य हो उसे सम संख्या कहते हैं. And just opposite, odd number, a number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. And after that, perfect number. A number is said to be perfect number if the factors of the number, if the sum of the all factors is equal to the twice of the given number, so it is called perfect number, पूर्ण संख्या. And 7 number definition is prime number. A natural number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number. As for example, 2, 3, 5, etc. are called prime numbers because each has 2 factors. As for example, 2 has 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3 has 2 factors, 1 and 3. 5 has 2 factors, 1 and 5. So 2, 3, 5, 7 all are called prime numbers. And composite number, यौगिक संख्या, a natural number which has more than 2 factors. जिस प्राकृतिक संख्या का 2 से अधिक गुणनखंड हो तो उसे हम यौगिक संख्या कहते हैं. As for example, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 all are composite number because each number has more than 2 factors. So in this period, I have written some important definitions of this chapter, and you will write this definition in your shared notebook, mathematics, and you will by heart it. And after that, you will try to solve some examples of this exercise, and in next class I will solve your problem. Six.